Okay, time for a farmall forward competition. See which one starts easier. Okay, so start the competition. Got forward. Try starting it first. Try. Hurry up. Now, start now. The competition is to see if the cub will start almost just as easy in this cold weather. Gotta keep in mind the cub is a carb, so keep in mind I'll take a couple spins of the more to get it running, but see if it will start and it has no choke on. If you want, see, no choke and almost no gas, so it fires up just good. See, fire right up. And if I look on my handy dandy phone, I'm not going to be crazy enough to show you where I live, so I'm not going to show you the phone. It is 38 degrees outside right now. And it fired right up. That's as full throttle my tractor will go. Off the throttle there. So you always can rely on your farmall. I guess you should rely on it. I don't know. Oh, my camera's like going crazy with focus right now. Okay, I'll upload my last couple of videos of the cub. See you guys in the next video. And for the record, Cub and Ford both won this competition. And they both started, and the Cub did start with no choke. And so, fire right up. Turn off the radio and time to head back around front. Close up toolbox for the night. And that's it. Always can rely on a good, wonderful cub. And the muffler did get nice and a little toasty for that. See if we can rely on the lights for this. Apparently not. Unless, did the wire come out? Oh, yes, the wire did come out of the light. Okay. Let's try this again. See, and the light is working. So unhook the negative off the battery for the night. Pull one last pull. Make sure it's all the way out. And here it will stay until another day of videos tomorrow. Better go park my mom's truck. So, to the next video.